Hi. Today we're conducting an experiment to see if the electronic kettle is actually quicker in boiling water than the traditional kettle. The only variable here is the fact that our hob is an electric hob, which could make a difference if it was gas. However, we've put it on the same surface area, as you can see, as the size of the kettle to be comparable to the electric kettle. And also, we've measured out here 1.51 liters, or 1.5 liters, sorry, of water, cold water, at the same temperature as that's in here, because this kettle couldn't hold that much water, so you can see you can see the water, but you can't measure it. 1.5 liters of water. And you just have to trust me because I let the sink here run for a little bit, so the temperature is the same. Okay? So what we're going to do here as an experiment is, if I can get my wife here, is at the same time that we say go, you press that. At the same time I press this, which will go to the top, which will be 9 is the hottest, and that should be the hottest. Okay, so at the count of 3, ready? Let me get my finger ready.
O first. It goes.
1.
It goes to O first.
Does it go to O?
Yeah.
2.
You press first.
1. Oh, it goes to O first. 2, 3. See? 9, and the light. Okay, so the way we can tell is if this kettle here whistles, which got one of those traditional whistles, and here, whoa, we hear some action going on in a green kettle. But we don't hear anything going on here, do we? But let's see. The anticipation is killing me. Should we have some background music? No. While we wait? No? Play some music. There's a lot of action going on with the green kettle. But is it actually boiling? Uh-oh. I think we might have a winner here.
It never entered my mind.
I think we have a winner. This is obviously boiled, as you can tell. And here on the electric hob hasn't even started bubbling. So our conclusion here, at least with electric hob, is that a kettle is a lot faster than the traditional. However, we should do this test again with a fire. I will wait here as long as we want to wait until this goes off, but as you can tell, there's no activity going on here at all. I don't see any bubbles. Maybe it's a little bit. Oh, I see a little bit of steam. Can you see that on the video? However, this has fully boiled. So, for all those folks that were curious about whether a electric kettle is faster than the traditional kettle, we found a winner. This is Jeff Young with your Daily Household Experiment.